Good morning everyone. Today I will take construction of class ninth, in which we have to construct the triangle when perimeter is given. In this question xy plus yz plus zx is given 11 centimeter and two angles are given. Then how to construct the triangle? So as triangle xyz is there, we take any line segment AB of 11 centimeter. At A we construct 30 degree this angle, and B we construct 90 degree. So first AB line segment is 11 centimeter. Second, angle A is 30 degree and angle B is 90 degree. As given in question YZ, we are constructing A and B is 90 degree. A is 30, B is 90. I will explain why we are taking this. Now third is we bisect angle A. We bisect angle A also. We bisect angle B also. Everyone knows how to do bisect the angle. We can bisect the arc of 30 degree. We draw our compass here. This arc same way 30 degree we bisect it and it will be 15 degree. We extend the line. Same way 90 degree arc. We bisect the arc, put your compass here and cut an arc with the same radius with this. We cut an arc and join the line. So this angle will be 45 degree. Both the bisectors meet at point X. Okay? Now we draw perpendicular bisector of XA and XB. We are drawing perpendicular bisector. That means we take more than half of XA and cut an arc. Putting A as center, we cut an arc and put X at center, and the same arc we cut, and we get this line from here. Same way we draw perpendicular bisector of XB and we get the line here. This we can name it LM. So this line will be here. Now as we draw the perpendicular bisector, it will mean, and we extend it, it will meet the AB line at Y and Z. We are getting 2 points Y and Z. We join the line XY and XZ. This is the triangle formed XYZ with 11 centimeter. Now we have not constructed like this. How can we justify that there's some XY plus YZ plus ZX is 11 centimeter? One justification, we measure it, and second one, you measure all the three sides and then say that 11 centimeter you are getting or not. Next is we justify by exterior angle property about the angles. What we have done, as it is perpendicular bisector, LY is perpendicular bisector of AX. That means what? AY is equals to XY, as this line is perpendicular. So using RHS property, AY is equals to YX. As these both are equal, sides are equal, and we know that opposite angles of equal sides are also equal. This angle is 15 degree. So this angle will be also 15 degree. Why? Because these two sides are equal. Angle opposite to this one is 15 degree and angle opposite to this one is also 15 degree. And any triangle, if this triangle is there and we extend it, these two are 15. That means this one will be 30 degree. So angle Y is 30 degree. Same way, we have constructed here perpendicular bisector. That means xz is equals to zb. xz is equals to zb using RHS property. As xz and zb are equal, that means angle opposite to these two will be also equal. xz, if this triangle is xz, here this one is 45 degree and this angle is 45 degree, that means opposite angle will be 90 degree, exterior angle will be, and so this angle will be 90 degree. Now what about sides? We have taken AB is 11 centimeter. AB is 11 centimeter. If you break it, that means AY plus YZ plus ZB is 11. What is AY? AY is XY. Just I have shown you that how it is. So AY is XY. YZ I am writing same. Now ZB, this side is equals to this one, XZ. So XZ is 11 centimeter. The same way, that's why we are drawing the, if perimeter is given, then how to construct the triangle.